Hello students. So today we will discuss exercise 3.6. Question number first. Solve the following pairs of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Okay, so first question is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and second equation is 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 by 6. So this is the reducing type questions. So in this we have to let 1 upon x is equal to p and 1 upon y is equal to q. Okay, now then the equation changes as follows. So if 1 upon x is p, so we can write it as p upon 2. See, 1 upon x is p, so we can write it p upon 2, plus this 1 upon y is q, so we can write it as q upon 3 is equal to 2. Now here 1 upon x is p, so p upon 3 plus q upon 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now we will take LCM and solve the equation. Let's see, p by 2 plus q by 3 is equal to 2. So take LCM. This will be 6. 2 3 times, so 3p, and 3 2 times, so 2p is equal to 2. Now 6 will go that side, so 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. This is our first equation. Now second equation was p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now again take LCM. 6 will be the LCM. 3 2 times, so 2p plus 2 3q is equal to 13 by 6. Now 6 will be cancelled out. So what we get? 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. This is our second equation. So now we have two equations. This is first and this is second. Now you can use any of the three methods which you have learned in previous lectures. Let's say elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication method. But I think we should use elimination method because it is very easier and simpler. So multiply it by 3 and multiply it by 2. So 3 into 3, 9p, 3 2 6q, 12 3 36. Now here 4p, 6q and 26. Okay, when the signs are same of the like terms, what we do? Subtract. Now sign will be changed, so this will be cancelled out. 9p minus 4p, what we get? 5p, and 36 minus 26, 10. So p value will be 10 upon 5, so 2. So p value we got 2. Now put p is equal to 2 in any equation, whatever you want, in second I. What is second equation? 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Now replace p with 2. So 2 into 2 plus 3q is equal to 13. So 4 plus 3q is equal to 13. Now 3q is equal to 13 minus 4. So 3q is equal to 9, q is equal to 9 upon 3. What we get? 3. So we have let, what we have let? We have let 1 by x is equal to p. So 1 by x is equal to, what we get in p? 2. So 1 upon 2 is equal to x. So x value is 1 by 2, and we have let 1 upon y as q. So 1 upon y is equal to 3. So 1 upon 3 is equal to y. we interchange this place by cross multiplication. Okay, so our answer is for x is 1 by 2 and for y is 1 by 3. So in this type of questions, first we have to reduce it in the linear form. Okay, then we will solve it. Let's see one more question. Question number 6 of same question 1, part 6. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Here we can see that the RHS contains xy. Okay, now for this type of questions, how we will let it? First of all, see, if we divide both sides with xy, let's say 6x plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6xy upon xy. We can divide, multiply, add, subtract both sides equally anytime. Okay, so this xy will be cancelled out. Now open this like this: 6x upon xy, 3y upon xy is equal to 6. Now x will be cancelled out with x, here y will be cancelled out with y. So 6 upon 6y upon 3 upon x is equal to 6. Now this is our first. Now second one, same sequence, 5xy, divide both sides with xy. Okay, now this xy will be cancelled out, here x will be cancelled out and here y will be cancelled out. So 2 upon y is plus 4 upon x is equal to 5. This is our second. Now same procedure, let 1 upon x is equal to p and 1 upon y is equal to q. Okay, so this 6 upon y plus 3 upon x is equal to 6. This was our first equation, and second equation was 2 upon y plus 4 upon x is equal to 5. This is our second. So we have let 1 upon y as q, so we can write it 6q, 1 upon x as p, so 3p, 2q, and 4 upon xx, 4p is equal to 6 and is equal to 5. Now first and second. Now we can multiply it by 3. So 6q plus 3p is equal to 6, and this 3 to 6, 4 3 12p, and 5 3 50. Now both have same sign, so we will subtract. This will be cancelled out. 3 12 minus 9p, and 6 minus 15 minus 9, 9 will be cancelled out, 9 upon 9. So p is equal to 1. Now put p is equal to 1 in first equation. Okay, so we have 6q plus 3p is equal to 6. So replace p value as 1. So 6q is equal to 3 is equal to 6. So 6q is equal to 6 minus 3. So q is equal to 3 by 6. What we get? 1 by 2. Now we have p value as 1 and q value as 1 by 2. So we have let 1 upon x is equal to p. So 1 upon x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. And 1 upon y is equal to q. So 1 upon y is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply it. So what we get? Y is equal to 2. So x value is 1 and y value is 2. Okay. Try to solve more questions of this exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Thank you.